Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video I am reviewing this Becca Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream Foundation. So I have done my full makeup. So the time I have applied my foundation was like 2:30 p.m. I am going out for dinner tonight. Like I was very desperate to try this foundation out today, so I thought, okay, let me try with you guys and see if I like this foundation. So this foundation is an amazing foundation and I got in the shade Olive. That's what the shade I bought, because I bought online from glamrider.com. So I wasn't sure about which shades to buy, so I thought, okay, let's go and look for review. So I found lots of review on this foundation on YouTube, and some of the girls tried this shade Olive, which looked good on them. So I thought, okay, I will be getting Olive because I wanted to buy 10. I always buy 10 foundation when I'm not sure about the shade. But this time, one of the reviews, that girl said that 10 is a bit lighter than Olive. So I thought, okay, I'll buy Olive because 10 is lighter. So I'll try Olive. Like, for me, as I can see in this mirror now, it really matches my skin and my neck. I am giving this foundation a try with you guys now. So there will be a demo later in this video, so you guys can see me applying the foundation. This foundation, the texture is very thick. So let's open and see. It comes in a box like this. Okay, focus camera. Okay, here you go. So this is how the foundation bottle looks like. It's really nice, and there is a pump. This foundation has a pump, which I love it so much because I don't have to open it. I just have to pump. So let's see how thick this foundation is. The texture is very thick. You just take a little bit of the product and it goes a long way. And I really love this shade. It matches so well with my skin. So this foundation cost me like $72 Australian, and I bought this from glamrider.com. You guys have seen me doing a lot of haul from this website. That website, it sells like lots of high-end product and also some brands from US, which we can't find here. So that's why I choose that website to buy all my products like high-end, and this foundation is awesome, amazing. I also have one of the other Becca foundation, and let me show you guys which one is this. So this foundation is Luminous Perfecting Foundation Medium. So this one I have been using for a while now. So this foundation is a luminous finish foundation, so it's not good for this kind of weather, summertime, because it gives that luminous glow to your skin, and I love it. I love it so much when my skin is glowing. But this foundation, it will be better using in winter time, and this foundation is good too, but I will give much better rating for this one. This one is a matte finish and it is way good for oily skin. If you have oily skin, this foundation will work very well on you. And also I have got a combination skin type, so sometimes it's dry, sometimes it's oily, so I'm in the middle somewhere. I have applied only one layer of this foundation, just one coat of this foundation. And if I did apply this foundation 2 coats, this foundation will be amazing. It will cover all the marks. And also do watch the demo coming up next, how this foundation application goes on my skin. Close-up look for you guys. And I have applied this foundation 2:30 p.m. So let's see after dinner when I come back home and see how long this foundation stays and how good this foundation is. We all know it will crease around this area. It always happens to me. Okay, now the time is 3:24 p.m. I have applied this foundation 2:30 p.m. and let's see after a while when I come back from dinner how my makeup stays. And yeah, let's see that time. I will give you my 100% review on this foundation, whether I like it or not. But so far, I love it. This cost $72 and I tell you guys, it's worth the money. I will not buy this Becca's Aqua Luminous Perfecting Foundation now. I will go for Becca Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream. This is amazing. And this both cost like 72 Australian dollars. So let's see when I'll be back. So here's the foundation and here's my Morphe M439 brush. This is the brush I am using nowadays just to apply my foundation with this Morphe Pro Blender. This is what I use. These two products is my favorite nowadays. So let's see how this foundation works. So I will first apply this NYX NYX Pore Filler Primer. It's wow, this is a very thick foundation. It's really nice. It's pure matte. I guess it's matte, yeah. The coverage is quite nice. And I guess you can build this up as quickly as you can because it dries very quickly. As you guys have seen me, I have just applied one pump. So I am taking another pump, 2 pumps, and I will be applying this side. I really love this foundation. I have got another Becca foundation that is a luminous foundation. If you guys want to see a review on that one, just let me know. And this foundation is quite nice. Wow, it's a matte finish foundation and you don't need to apply lots of product. I guess I did take a bit of it, but you really need a little bit of this product. It didn't cover much of my acne marks over here, but I guess if I apply 2 coats of this, it will cover, but I don't want to apply 2 coats. I just want to leave it like this because I don't want to apply too much of it when I go out. it will look like cake face. I got in this shade olive, so I think this shade suits me well, or I need to get a bit darker one, but I think if I'll apply all the makeup, then it will look good. And if you buy high-end product, you pay more, the product must be good. That's what I suggest. I don't want to waste my money on products which doesn't work, especially the foundations. If I buy the drugstore foundation and that foundation doesn't work, it's okay because that costs less. But this one, if you buy high-end one, it definitely must work for me. What about you guys? We don't want to waste our money on this kind of product which doesn't work. So now I am just taking a Dame Beauty blender just to dab all over so that it's well blended. Oh gosh, I just applied one layer of this foundation and it's wow. So I will be back after applying all of my makeup.
Again.
So I am back now and it's like 8:23 p.m. and we had so much fun today. We had so much food to eat there. It was a buffet. So, but I ate all the healthy stuff except all that cake. So yeah, let's see how my foundation goes now. It's like I'm loving it, and it's like 2:30, 3:30, 4:30, 5:30, 6:30, 7:30, 8:30. So it's 8:25 now. It's nearly 7 hours and 6 to 7 hours, yeah, and I am loving this foundation. So yeah, let's see my foundation. Yeah, it went pretty well, and so this foundation, I am loving it so much, so I will be using this foundation forever now. This is one of my favorite high-end foundation.